The fish.
Kinukuha yung fish mo.
Fry them up right here.
Okay. Anong
So
isda
I left 2 of them whole. The other ones are filleted.
Yeah.
So you guys get the 2 whole ones.
Okay. Ayan. Mag-iihaw siya, oh. Tingnan mo yung mga charcoal niya, bilog-bilog. The charcoal.
She's amazed by the charcoal. In the Philippines, it's like not evenly
Just like a rock. Para
Down
siyang
real
rock.
quick and grab some more stuff.
Happy Father's Day! Nandito kami kay Aunt Liz. Ipag ni Jen, dito kami magsi-celebrate ng Father's Day. Ayan, nakahanda na yung yung ihawa, no? Tingnan yung uling, oh. Ganda na itsura ng uling, bilog-bilog. Sa atin, para siyang mga burak. Para siyang mga bato-bato. Ano naman ito? Pakialaman natin. Wah! Nag-iihaw siya ng mais.
Sarap.
Pakilamera. Tapos meron daw isda, mag-iihaw sila ng isda. Ay, ipiprito ba to? Piprito yung isda. Ayan ang handa mamaya. Andun pa sa ref yung iba. Tapos mamaya, mag-iihaw ng hot dog. Kasi ito yung mga bread. Mga bread. O, tingnan nyo, yung view dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view, Ang lawak ng aming hacienda. Dito sa Amerika. Meron pa kaming yate. Ayun, may yate kami doon. Yung yate, hindi na nakabalik sa dagat. Nawalan ng gasolina. Yung yate. Ay, kaloka. Abangan nyo yung aming mamaya gathering. Eat together with the family. Ano yung hinuhuli mo dyan? May net siya, oh.
Mga damo-damo. Ay, mga dahon-dahon.
Dahon-dahon. Ang lawak ng hacienda dito. Ang lawak. Spray. Ano yun? Vinegar? What's that?
Oh.
No, not alcohol.
Good smell.
Yeah, we have alcohol.
Good smell. Ito yung mga pagkain. Ito ang mga pagkain. Ayan ako. Ayan ang mga pagkain namin, guys. Ito yung mga prutas. Tikman nga natin. Mga pagkain na. Want to take video.
Hold on. Oh, you can get it around it. You just gotta hold that. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Prito naman. Looks yummy. Looks yummy. Rice.
Hey, what do you want? Hot dog or burger?
They have
Fish. Salap ng fish. Pati nga ng isda mo, Jen. Pati nga ng isda mo.
I got the rib fingers.
Laki ng isda niya. Ito, sarap. Yung isda.
Or ribs? Pork.
That's what is rib. Don't worry. There's plenty of them in the garbage. I got a pickup truck. This fish is off the chain.
Yeah, eat a hot dog. Eat.
You know what it tastes like?
No, eat.
Another fishing trip.
What? How about you eat some more?
It has a few.
Yeah. Hey. What are you doing?
Ayan, mga pagkain dito. Salad-salad.
You want to try it?
Salad.
No? Sure?
Kunin mo na.
No,
No,
you're
Harley.
done, Harley.
Drink the water. Drink the water.
Yeah, the water's better for you.
Ayan, naliligo sila, oh. Done swimming, Pen? Naguhuni mga ibon. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Sa kabila, oh. May tent sila. Pen! Ay, naku, malilim na dyan, oh. Maginaw na. Wala ng araw dyan.
No, Penny will don't do that. You're gonna break the Iris's glasses.
Look!
No, Saba.
Alas 6 na.
Okay, dali ka na. Let's go.
Go.
Iris, hold him.
Wala na, oh. Sila na lang naligo.
Halika na. There's no.
Kulit, eh. Maginaw na.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Makulimlim na. Kulit, eh.
Don't hold me.
Sige nga, itry mo nga kung lulutang siya.
Lulutang man. Don't stay too far from me.
Totoo ba? Ay, oo nga, lumulutang nga. Sige lang, oy.
Because he drinks water.
Sige lang, oy. Sige lang, oy. Usap dun. Dun, you climb that side.
Oo nga, pero nga minsan na ano nga yung tubig. Sabi mo
Ay, lumulutang nga. Silbabida.
pen ha. I'm gonna get pen. Diyak ang mo yun.
You go that side, oh. Mayroon pa pala doon isa na niligo. Careful, ah. O, sige, swim. Okay, swim.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Swim that. Swim over there.
Close your mouth.
Keep your eyes open. Close your mouth. Or keep your head above the water.
Lumulutang man siya. Harap dito. Come this side. Come this side. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. O, dali. Turn around. O, come here. Come here this side. Come here. Swim. Swim na.
Swim to mama.
Pagjack mo yung paa mo. O. Kick your feet. Come on.
Put it in my jacket.
Kick your feet. Dali. Come on. Come on. Oh, naano na yung bunganga niya. Nainom na yung tubig.
Are you okay?
Don't drink the water, ah.
Ben, move your arms like this. Move your legs.
And I'll have a rocket one.
Ganun mo ang kamay mo. O, ganun.
Go like this. Move your
Tap.
arms like this.
Oh, dali. Tapos yung paa.
Pen, look.
Tapos yung paa. Dali.
Pen, look. Put your arms like this. And go.
Matutututin.
Look. Pen, put your arms like this. Turn your hands around. And go. Ow.
It's a three-wheeler.
You don't see it down there? You don't see it down there?
It's up front.
If you're injured, there's just one call that has one phone number. 1-800-ECN.